In this video, I'm going to show you how you can master the scan function in Excel. Here we have a list of numbers, and there's certainly a way to do with formulas to do the calculate the total or the running total. And so you would, for example, go equals 25, or you'd select this value, and then from there on you would go equals this plus this, and then you could drag it down, and that looks fine. But what happens if you add another number to it? You'd have to keep dragging it down whenever you added them. And then you have the things where numbers change, rows are added, and then it's like, so if you add an extra row in here, then it's confused a little bit. And so let's delete this row, and let's show you how the scan function will work. Okay, so I have it here, equals scan, and what I'm doing is I'm selecting, my initial value is 0 because I'm starting with nothing to begin with. And so then what I'm going to do is my values that I'm adding are A2 to A20. I'm going down because I know that I'm going to have more. And so what I do is the lambda, and the lambda function is basically the heart of the little formula that you have. So what I've got is I've named the initial value and the current value, and I'm simply adding initial value to current value. So let's copy this in. And I'm copying it into my first cell here. And then it will spill down, and it doesn't matter how many I put in. It happily continues along. So the scan value is particularly good for accumulating values. If it doesn't work with larger formulas, I was trying to figure out the total value, and I was including things like the pi function times the height of the cylinder, and because the function is designed for accumulating things, it didn't work. So this is how you use the scanned function. Please subscribe.